In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a circle of arrows in Figma, and we'll do it in just about 5 minutes. If you're not already familiar with Figma, it's a fantastic collaborative interface design tool that's widely used for designing and prototyping. Let's get started right away. First things first, open your browser and navigate to Figma's website. If you're not already logged in, you'll want to click on the Login button. Enter your credentials and sign in to access your workspace. Once you're logged in, we'll head over to the Figma homepage. From there, find and click on the Home menu option, which will take you to where all your projects and templates are stored. Now you'll want to select or create a new design file to get started on this project. Once you're in your design workspace, it's time to find and click on the Design tab. This will open up all the necessary tools you'll need for this task. Our first step in creating the circle of arrows is to draw the circle itself. On the toolbar, you'll find the shape tools. Click on the circle icon to select it, then click and drag on your canvas to create a circle. You can adjust its size by dragging the corners as needed. Make sure the circle is about the size you want for your final design. Next, we need to create an arrow shape, and for this we'll be using a polygon tool. You'll find this tool in the shape options as well. Click on it and then draw a triangle shape on the canvas, which we'll be using as an arrow. Adjust its size and angle to your liking, making sure it's proportional to your circle. Position the arrow so that its tip touches the edge of the circle. You can use the alignment tools in Figma to ensure it's perfectly centered either inside or outside the circle, depending on your preference. Once you have the first arrow positioned correctly, it's time to duplicate and rotate it to create the full circle of arrows. Select the arrow, then use the duplicate function, which can typically be accessed by right-clicking or using a keyboard shortcut like Ctrl-D or Command-D depending on your system. Rotate each duplicate around the center point of the circle. For a perfect circle of arrows, you might want to use equal angles for each rotation, depending on how many arrows you want in your design. By the time you finish rotating and positioning each arrow, you should have a complete circle of arrows around your original circle. And there you have it, your circle of arrows is complete. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you followed along, you now know how to create a professional looking circle of arrows in Figma. Thanks for watching and happy designing.